worry, Devil. I won't let them take you away. S.H.I.E.L.D. want to take Devil here away and perform some kind of DNA tests. What's there to test? He's a dinosaur. Anyone can see that. I'm not letting them hurt my friend. You have to help me hide him. I know good place, but you have to make sure no one hurt Devil on way, okay? Let's... Come on, Devil. This way. Who are you guys? S.H.I.E.L.D.? No, you're not. Come on, boy. Follow me. Look out! More of those creeps! Not far now. Hide behind me, Devil. No, wait. That's not going to work.
No version of this where you come out on top.
You should be safe here, Devil. Although, maybe you'd be safer with S.H.I.E.L.D. If those guys are anything to go by. If only there was islands somewhere where you could run free with all dinosaurs. Anyway, thank you for helping us.